eternal flames burn forever. The Eternal Flame Falls in New York has a fire that dances amidst a waterfall. But here's the kicker. It's fueled by natural gas seeping from the earth. That's right, an endless supply of fire hidden beneath the surface. Now, here's where it gets wild. The flame can be extinguished by a simple splash of water, but it reignites almost instantly. It's like nature's own magic trick. This phenomenon shows how the Earth's geology can create stunning spectacles right before our eyes. Think about it. This fire has been burning for centuries, a living testament to the planet's secrets. What else is hiding in plain sight?